Okay, the WTO trade facilitation agreement could only redound to the benefit of Barbados because as a small open economy, majority of our gross domestic product is dependent on trade. And as a result, any improvements in how we manage the movement of cargo in and out of Barbados, in our view, will definitely assist our private sector in achieving the growth that is necessary for our economic development at this time. We are currently undertaking a number of reforms, necessary reforms, to help boost our country's competitiveness. In particular, we are looking at definitely working with the Department of Customs and Excise to ensure that we get a more speedily movement of cargo using scientific techniques and international best practice. And additionally, we are looking forward to the introduction of a Trusted Traders Program, better known as the Authorized Economic Operator Program. And we hope to work with the CARICOM Secretariat and other international partners to give effect to this as soon as possible. Thank you.